What is Bangsearch.pro virus? Bangsearch.pro virus is a malicious search engine that hijacks your web browser. It installs malware extension, redirects your searches to Google, Bing, Yahoo, or other unwanted search engines. It may also install various malware applications into your PC without your consent. How did my PC get this infection? You likely downloaded a pirated application or visited a malicious link that installed the malware on your PC. Is this dangerous for your PC? Yes, this is a browser hijacker and it can change your browser setting. It may also track your online activities without your knowledge. So how to manually remove Bangsearch.pro virus? Removing Bangsearch.pro virus is not easy. Even if you remove it, it may reinfect your PC. Many reputable antivirus or anti-malware program can help, but reinfection is possible. If that happens, you should try to remove it manually. We have a comprehensive tutorial available to help you to remove Bangsearch.pro virus easily.